Too busy with that supercharged wine. Wow, dude. What's good, bro? Look at that.
I kind of cheaped out. I don't absolutely love them, but
they're definitely a nice wheel setup. I feel like they're light, they're good for the track, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. Yeah. The styling, I love the color on them too. That's my favorite thing. And then you got a big brake upgrade kit, right? Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Definitely need it for the power and stuff. How do you pronounce your name, bro?
Barry.
Barry, okay. Yeah. So we have Barry here, guys. You can see he has his 9th gen SI. Love the color on this thing. Why don't you tell him a little bit about the car, man? I know it's supercharged. Yep. Why don't you go over, you know, intake, exhaust, you know, what downpipe you have?
Okay, sure.
Just a quick little brief.
The intake was actually fabricated by Merc Racing. There aren't a lot of intakes from, you know, InGen, QD, or whatever that would actually fit this. So downpipe is a RV6 catted downpipe.
Yeah.
I just spoke to my tuner. We're gonna switch it over to the catless downpipe.
Nice. It's crazy. How was the installation? You did the install yourself?
No, I bought the car on a whim. Like, I was on vacation in South Carolina. Yep. I met up with Jose. He is a friend of mine. And he's like, dude, you gotta get back to Honda. And the very next day, I bought the car without talking to my wife or anybody. I just went for it.
I definitely love, wow, the style of the blower. It's just so simple, guys. The simplicity in the engine bay is just, you don't have to do really anything to it, and it maintains the same factory position. All you're doing is ideally replacing the manifold, right? Intake manifold, and
which almost anyone wants to do it on 9th gen. You want to go RBC.
Yep. Gotta love this interior right here. This is my favorite thing about the 9th gen SIs. I say this in every single one of my videos. The whole interior. I like how the dash is always, it's like integrated towards you, man. So you got everything right here. Mine is just like, yeah, and it's so simple, you know?
Yeah, it's just a little bit of a degree here. It makes it feel like.
Now this is a 2014, right?
Yeah.
2014. Let's see how this thing sounds. Stock, right? Supercharger feels, and this car feels.
I'm running a Q300.
Okay.
I had the full race at first, but it was too loud for me.
Okay. It's Honda Dash, right? Or the new Honda Mobile?
Yeah, that's the Honda Complete or something.
I'm having Jesus. What are you running for a clutch setup is my question. Are you doing like a stage 2?
I'm doing, I don't think the stage 2 wouldn't hold this.
Stage 3?
It's a Clutchmaster FX 300. It feels stock.
And I've heard great reviews on that, by the way. How long did you keep the car NA before you decided to go supercharged?
A couple of days.
Oh my God.
No, I'm serious. Like, I bought it in South Carolina, and I left it with Jose Mercado from Merc Racing.
Yeah.
And I said, you know, well, supercharge it for me, please.
Crispy shifts. It sounds so good. I love the exhaust note. It's a perfect balance between intake, induction, engine noise, and exhaust note. All right, bro.
Scared the Subaru. Sorry, bro.
so good. It just hugs the turns. There's power literally everywhere. Man, my heart's, dude, my heart's like, oh my God. Man, he really had this route planned, bro. Good thing I didn't eat a heavy breakfast, dude. Holy crap.
Oh, yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
So 350 horsepower right now, and you're at about 305 torque, you said? So sweet, man. And it's a family car. We had to pass the slow Honda, right?
Yeah. There's some corners there, like I'm like, man, I wish you weren't here.
Guy's probably like, dude, that's a fast orange. Oh my God, dude.
And those subtle noises are the noises that really keep me coming back here.
I just like that, like, you give it a throttle, it's like,
Yeah.
and it gradually just increases the tone as you just go up in RPM.
So those are like boosted.
I'm content. Are you content?
Very content. Are you kidding me? That's why I own it.
I would hope so, right?
10 PSI is like,
And that's is 10 PSI your max PSI right now?
no,
Are you 15 PSI?
So reliability was a big
Yep. And honestly, I thought I liked the turbo more after being in a precision turbo FG2, but for me, I went K24 because I wanted instant torque, and that's what it offers. Now, if I could slap a setup on mine like this, it would be the ultimate dream daily, honestly, and I would be super content with it. I'm all about reliability, and the thing that motivates me about the Supercharger, obviously, is being in one right now. But the fact is that there's a guy I read on a forum that he literally mashed on his Supercharged 8th gen with a K24A2 for 50,000 miles, hitting 8,000 RPMs, and he was all stock oil pump. So it just shows what these cars can do. Now you have a YouTube, right?
I do have.
What's your channel?
Reese's Cars.
You guys heard that? Check them out. What are you running for suspension right now?
I have a Godspeed suspension.
Dude, that's what this is.
But I wasn't happy with the spring rate, so I changed to I-box springs in the rear.
Yep.
They're about 200 pounds heavier in the spring rate.
It's coming up sharp right over here.
And I called Chris from Redshift, and I hit up with the Swift springs in the front. So that's why, you know, the car's slow, but it doesn't bottom out.
It feels great. The cornering ability, the drivability in all aspects is phenomenal. And then we should.
That was nowhere near the limit. I'm like feeling the car. I'm like, it wants more.
It doesn't even sway. There's no movement.
Yeah, it's about sway bar. I do have a Progress sway bar, and it's cheap. They could charge more money for that.
I'm getting like sucked back in the seat over here.
Can we have fun over here? Yes, we can. People see the color and like
The flying orange, dude. I love the downshifts. Dude, holy sh! Seriously. Finishing up the day. Well, we're not technically done yet, but can we just appreciate? Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. 1 out of 10. Look at that. Cream soda. Barry's showing me the good spots out here, man. I'm grateful, all right? I'm grateful. I'm like 20 minutes from here and I've never been here before, so let me dig in here. I'll get a nice little, I don't know if I can do this with one hand, bro. Out here, found a little scenic spot. The few last questions I want to ask you, man, is if you were to get rid of this car and buy something else right now, what would it be?
It would be, I think, a B9 Audi RS4, and that's only because Merc Racing is also boosting those things up. So
that's sick, dude.
I think they stay with the brand.
They come stock supercharged.
Yes.
What's next to come for this car in the future?
In the coming weeks, maybe next week, when parts come in, I'm going with the catless downpipe. And down the line, I'll upgrade to the J37 throttle body.
Nice.
The blower loves the bigger throttle body. So.
Right. I appreciate you coming out, give me a ride in this thing, dude. It's been a blast. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Freaking love the car. It's amazing. I'm glad I had the opportunity. We met right in the middle, halfway, so it worked out both for us. And I gotta tell you, next time we meet up, I think I'm gonna take it for a spin. So stay tuned for that, guys. There was a lot of traffic out today. It was a little hit or miss. So be sure to like, drop all your comments down below. How many of you guys have 9th gens? And subscribe. If you guys want to see more car reviews, I'll make them for you. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.